Hey, but me mo akwaba sonko umbra Badwam Ahosepe do of some food the fancy door na matna say am de Ahosepe no rebro to me who I had a AFL ye papa ne masisem kra na mebo pay mo or portions restaurants or jolu into no aha come up papa na etizin na portions restaurant or so who they had no exhibit some no kodo had papa local and continental dishes in arano e bahade ya ebenya or had into no jolu last chance honum na no bopay mo honum na portions restaurants e wo but one number but two guys are more them obeya ebotum na afro one na enda Ahosepe no obeya sonko kra Sunday Rabana, me never about to come on, and that's when you stand to be a guy. She also don't pay for one obey here, papa, and maso, meaning a beshia because they were sending the agent to Nada. Sandy, I'm a walker, maso as a maso, man, welcome the more day. Now, the one day, cry a special in there in the opinion, the first show, no. Into no say, actually, girls can talk. In the bro connection kodo cry and there at 3 p.m. Pepe but no TV do a live show to no be sure they been go phone lines they too much I do not cry the baby so they got that girls no now once na so Sunday girls prefects no or the girls can talk no brain yellow pass and no me guest and pay. Why though?
Thank you. Like that's it.
Red no yes, papa.
That's pa. Also, you look very fabulous.
Thank you. Now, in then a premiere show. Yeah. Girls can talk. Feeling it than more.
And nije no doso. Overwhelming, but it's good. Many Japan say yenya sa platform we are. The member. I beat me akasa. Actually, what's going on with us? Okay. Oh, yeah, brother, any part of our lives.
In there at 3 p.m. Yellow pairs, but massy, and no guest, but massy. Now we're breaking some new amahen. Mamma, ever share topic, Naza, and what discuss. But before that, no, maybe Saturday, you will be a pencomo pie. What you're I don't come up and don't know yes of the crab. You girls can talk. Okay. Now, a lot of people with perspective there. Here, myself, the Asian years in coma. Yeah, not lipstick or some like young canoes. I have a cat near a camp of wire, a shoe, a bag. Is that what your show is about? You're busy bag home come on.
Dabi.
Okay.
In the shoe, in the bag, in the attire, in the lipstick. But you be in common, everything, BBA, politics, health, entertainment, adibia, I echoes Wagana, baby a tea. Bibi echoes to be a ever come as in the lens of a woman, no, as are affected because not women there's affected, be affecting you soon, also. Into no, as are offer Henabra who be a me food whom homo a piano. You also myself, you see, when you know opinion. Yeah. Into no, I don't opinion, I barber shake. Imagine them myself, what's not say, now walk a football, imagine myself, what's not say, now where is the politics, home come on, now here's the cryptocurrency, home come on, because yes, affecting him. At as I know, come on, you're wide, me friendship with him, do a lipstick on come on. In fact, me full of crowd was what's not home because if you're not repay, I bought taxes now. Target audience, no.
But girls can talk, them but they are able to now. How myself agent and how cry what
say I say sir
no what's the marrying maybe this week what topic here
this week topic near dentina oba oye career woman no mama papa de work school come when your baby see you are doing well would you pay an hour your business na because of say our and I say relationship into no you better say Jaw career and I said it's a housewife. Na ukunu enye juma and show. Is this something that is supposed to be done? That's the question. That's the topic for discussion.
That's wild. Yen mesiafono the mini maid or affecting papa. A lot of women wabe housewives without course because if you cry na e bia the career choices orinye no when you so mo wazi bi opede and our na kasampo no the way I work on the besia a man another woman our warranty for their wife their wife into no year no and shada ini one kasa vision bia other than that of your husband.
Doesn't mean say any vision, any purpose bia.
It is our plans so na beyin no za obe permit so there be no only the butuma you cannot go beyond what your husband wants you to do. And you know, I think that's a very good topic for the beginning of the show. And you know, gada wumba mesia fono here papa gada girls no. Now once nasi even in me funu pono dem obe wo fa futu wom de beyin o se to me allow wife mo to on your space oh yeah but me hwe even you na bedwuma na pede
share asem we okay now person me a soldier.
Hey.
Because of because of my height and how my stage at and I mean I think say how it was put into my brain so count because obi ehumia and you there so you soja and because we are TikTok ebe fatal and I say so as I so I took interest in it me so okay and me so me am person me use soja but I say now I say me share uniform kama attacking na they are can ya dia abra ya dia babat anfa
I mean, as a life happened.
I know.
It's no odu baby no connection about to
do baby na say me aka some sharps. Hey. So na go for e kwa akono mo mefe dey. Hey. Enya makono bio. My sister madrin.
It's no actually you fear.
Enya fear per se but I say my interest was so many things. And me started business very early because of my big sister or a businesswoman or no or ye independent woman or ye juma all the time or no anya ni sika o tona de na ye me fe because on depend you obi aso on kasa pese o to ne mpabo obeto pese okọ baby obekọ obedress kama nti then I was like oh and as a soldier you guys a long process aban twa me ka minister be home bottom and my mania business
entrepreneurship na every day they be no
ebehu sika nim
wow wow you know come on aide nchen come on acho and at 3 p.m. no be share yellow pairs but na so any guest na guest no so no obi ha na the character me pede e mankofu hu de ye be ye bibi o cut across onye de bia opinion da amakotie mo dwen no ono na yezidi bebe ye ejuma de bi e wo guest wo different opinions into no obi baka de you me pede meje ejuma me matne fi na my house so baka de
not here
into describe o guests no
me guests no omo ye outspoken omo ye confident omo ye they carry themselves well and omo opinions no so sebe about most that's the goal of the show.
Okay.
Say you better not say you better some relatable. Ewo ema asset name not because you person kasa. What I say henti. My guest ne dey. Omo you ready? I'm ready, but I'm sure they are also. I'm very sure that they are also ready. Henti. Omo ye ema omo betimi aka omo drink kama. Omo fa abrabom. So they understand ade omo be discussing.
Okay.
Say we be mom say omo ina drink timi nye baako. Obi be accept it. Obi so betimi aka say dabi. Me a career woman. Say ni nti ene dey all kind of spice. And yeah, dear bro, girls can talk.
Some kakraba. Them rubber ya uba no botum na we make an informed decision. No, into no ye makwan there ye be diverse opinions. Into no be a chena na one kasa uba na tina hon man we decide more pede na so as no we. See, onye one way cry open-minded ladies. Or be hosa na adwun me shada mbe dem kofu ni na waka. Them rubber ya ye be nya cut across into no ya. And the best of luck to you. Show no be papa. Girls can talk. Right. And then no ye kasafa career. At the bottom chan because of her work. Hey, obey you, papa. Special thanks Uncle Oma Portions Restaurant. Yeah, breakfast be
akono.
What? Whatever ya come here, Macasam no bamunka. maka oya guy papa nti no one bomos na won twom fa hade portions restaurant na one bra na won bezizi ya menyim say bi enwie no war dem awar sem ya ye kasisi na wa ma bi pe besimi twom na ahyehye wo e bi time e ba be care pada ma share meze me you know na mitriman by 23 na ma war ma wo mo nyina
hey
how
na enkola here na so
I be like basa but when me see by age 23 no I should be done
okay
like my where I there mambala more but when life happens
you have no
see how was it like for you?
Okay, so I think me Nino by age 25 na me dream say me 25 day a perfect number na my worry na me husband then we start making kids or start a family together and a baby but as you said life happens and
me trim oh yeah easy
but here we are
it's no why the plan the plan no but as to what the double man do lumbo no
you can only plan God will execute in his own time
okay into no ebakasa for health yeah mbesiafo hen problems beat the menopause
yeah
because of menstruation also
be
anything concerning women
health education just say schools how are
school choices
what we go through and nyama just say I say sometimes no person who study course bia yes course we dey nyama course mema course but say you throw man mema we embo course bia but I say o make us oh we dey o your bema na we ya oh e bia we nurse o your bad there we say we nurse but say be o person engineering but o make us say oh e be kan parents and as a friends it can be influenced by anybody okay just say oh you say me feel say oh your body will say oh you say so box no and girls can talk yan person e dey obabia bishop
okay
sa pepepe
okay matters into no nature do who be here crowd yan mo from ya sisi a we Jesus wo besna ko secondary school na choices one choices course choices na ade no about no so what na ho na wo hwe
also mo hwe
because a woman can be anything
that ordinary dream be say obey no you can do it
they will miss for pilots you will miss for engineers now I don't know America there CCR no in can be for the soft life efhwehwe konkona like soft life but in there no education and adina wasn't my hand no I say and be for you me for kusika no as I because we are working and yes we make
yes PSika because it's important obade I believe say and it's in America say earlier America say a big sister or a very independent woman or start ejuma at a very young age in term to no kasa hwe no ho wanye burden na mo bia and it made me understand say obade say wo ho ene wo dia wo ye comfortable bema is not always the option as in say oh mami warren temen na ebia mekunu etimi ama me ebia dwetire na say you know obema me chop money ni sa nyama no say who get priorities right na say one kasa wo settle ho ansa then bema ne kra be hia wa na obewarewa there's a lot of respect accorded to you because
na respect I say me about king since I me say for ye 50-50 le pede me fu won so sika no ye 50 no be yin so 50 da bu komo no me fu ne bi ni onye wonder kra obi so ho ma oye open to that idea
obi won mo pe kra chem oba no o pe 50 no
me e sure be e obi e ba you the experience mama share but before that no portions restaurants mama san manda ho na sibiom and I had a most my higher fellow I hire come up papa had a su needs come now so thing days bon papa has a restaurant is papa can had easy I had in ibinya to no san pays bono e we brizo portions we be when aboa to honum dem braba ye room had ya able to ways na as okra ankofu nyim one for pa ye one jollof no portions one jollof dan we be near that you back of you go back of you ampedu ojigumu do da ma e come papa jollof na ye come into no my mommy vital na proportions ate mama for one number no unto go more for phone na bo number na from one cc arate na order wo breakfast if you want 030277362 number is 03027777362 portions restaurants local no continental dishes in Nara no ebenya owa hade na se pe woni cha kwan paza rojo wulu inside that as a room na last chance wa na wo jo last chance hona na wo ebi kakraka e ba na wa wooden ibi wo enyim hono ha but e be inside the wood on the outside beautiful on the inside oh yeah some kakra but nipa na oh yeah hade no the way put a lot of thought into it of happen to no aha e ye kama papa want the portions restaurant me da hona say ye papa yeah we are free at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Invite unkofu mo show.
And at 3 p.m. girls can talk. You invite you, so your bar, so your bema, so your mommy, so your kunu, so your yere, so your kola. Mungada on TV. 3 p.m. pepepe because girls can talk na yebeyeno. And yet normal girls can talk na. They be makasa. There's some narrative behind it. The hours is so different. Yeah, they're a different level. What I say because you become semi bibia everyday life. Your career choices. Your pumuding. Bibia they cook through whether it be your baby here more, yamboa way, and you say Nina. You become our girls can talk so. And see, make a date with us 3 p.m. Pepe. Nedia so. Midawase.
No one Samara in Yellow Pairs, the beautiful Yellow Pairs. I'll be gracing the screen at 3 p.m. And the Benko baby, I will baby Cochrana cancel because you must sit and watch. After that, must say, need Tim Kumozino. Now, the guest also say, Mother, Power Park, Papa. Now, where her now so there on your easy. So, no once I say, now 3 p.m., girls can talk. Manda portions restaurant, I see. If you want to Papa, the way we want to watch one man money pay. Boy, and do. I can't wait to go and this shit. That's all. Into no, but basically, had the uncle, no, but she come home some mommy, being Thomas Bay. Well back Kofi Ampe, head of production, so Jinamo Condos and Yami Shano, Papa now Obiara was studio honor, I will say it's massy and ye Yami Shaw, Yami Adoma Besana, Macron.